Hello, welcome to the Flourish Portal of Care. In this quick walkthrough, we'll go through everything you need to know to get started with booking sessions. So there's essentially 3 pages that you're going to be interacting with. The first is the Find Offerings page, which is this page right here. The second is the Dashboard page, and the third is the Forums page. And we'll go through each of those. So this is the Find Offerings page, which you can get to by clicking this button up here, Find Offerings. And this shows you all the offerings that you can book with your credits through the Portal of Care. Here on the left, you can filter by type and by location, online or in person, and soon also by categories and tags. So taking a look at one of these sessions, you can see the title, whether it's online or in person. So this one is online. And then, for example, this one is in person and has an address here instead of an online symbol. And if you click it, you can see the location on Google Maps. And then down here, we can see information about the practitioner. You can go to their profile or watch their little intro video. And we can see how many credits it is to book. So this is 1 credit. Here's a short description. If you click on it, you can see a longer description. So yes, this is a one-on-one session. Here we can see this is a course. Here's another one-on-one session, etc. So let's see what happens when we book. So this is a one-on-one session. So when we click Book Now, if it's a course or an event, you'll go straight to the booking confirmation page. In this case, since it's a one-on-one session, we're going to be able to choose a time. So sometimes it takes a few seconds to load, and once it loads, we'll be able to select a day and then select a time slot. So when I do choose a slot, I'll be taken to the booking confirmation page where I'll have all the details I need to know about this booking, as well as a bit more information about the guide and an option to cancel and refund. One thing to mention is for some one-on-one sessions, instead of doing what we just did, when you click Book Now, the session will be immediately booked and you'll get a link from the practitioner to book your session using their own software. So in that case, it looks very similar. So here we see 2 pages. Here it says the time that I chose. And here, this is an example where instead of booking via Flourish, I book via the link that they send me. So in that case, I'll get a second email in addition to the confirmation email with information about how to actually schedule the session that I've just booked. So that's all we need to know about the Find Offerings page and about the booking process. The next page to look at is the dashboard. So this is fairly straightforward. You'll be able to see how many credits you still have remaining. In this case, since I just booked a session for 1 credit, with my 1 remaining credit, I now have 0 credits left for this month. So on this first tab, Bookings, I'll be able to see my upcoming bookings. Events, I'll be able to see upcoming Flourish events, so community events, etc. And on my calendar, I'll be able to see my upcoming bookings. So here, for example, is the embodiment coaching. Actually, that's not the one I just booked. This is the one I just booked. The embodiment coaching that I just booked. So yeah, and then here, profile, I can add a little bio, and here I can change my profile picture. So that's it for the dashboard. And then the last thing to know is just the forums, which is very straightforward. You'll be able to ask a question here, which both other portal members can see as well as practitioners. And here you can see all questions or just answered or unanswered questions. And you can also respond to any question here. And if you also have this question, you can click there, and that's kind of like liking it. If you want to see it answered, that'll bump it up so that practitioners and other users are more likely to answer that question. So that's it. If you have any questions, please feel more than welcome to reach out to us by email. You can click the contact. Here's the feedback if there's anything wrong. And you can click the Contact Us button in the bottom, which is, I'll just reload so that we don't have this here, which is down here. Contact us, and then there's a little form. Well, that's it. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy.